COSMIC 1.2, a quick but meaningful update from System 76. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into the latest point release for System 76 Ambitious Rust-based desktop environment, which is COSMIC 1.2. This update dropped just 1 week after version 1.1, showing how quickly the team is iterating on this modern desktop. While it's not a massive overhaul, it brings welcome polish, important hardware improvements, and small quality of life enhancements that many users will appreciate. Now, let's talk about the better hardware support and visual stability. One of the standout changes in COSMIC 1.2 is improved support for newer Intel GPUs in the Compositor. Users with Meteor Lake, Arrow Lake, or Lunar Lake graphics have reported flickering issues in the past. The team has implemented a targeted workaround in the Compositor that avoids problematic DMA copies between the Intel iGPU and discrete AMD or NVIDIA GPUs, a common setup on many laptops. This should lead to smoother performance and fewer visual glitches. They have also fixed flickering when opening the workspace overview in the Compositor and addressed a similar flickering issue in the COSMIC launcher when it pops up. These are the kind of small visual refinements that make the desktop feel more polished and reliable day to day. Now, about the new AVIF wallpaper support. If you're into modern image formats, you'll like this. COSMIC now officially supports AVIF images for desktop backgrounds. AVIF offers excellent compression with high visual quality, which means smaller file size without sacrificing sharpness. It's great for high-resolution wallpapers on systems where storage or bandwidth matters. Now, about the improvements across core apps. The COSMIC team didn't stop at the Compositor. Here is what else got attention. First, the COSMIC files. It now displays file checksums like MD5 or SHA right in the Properties pane. It also handles archive extraction, more reliable, no more crashes in certain cases. And you can now browse the contents of folders even while they are in the trash, which is a handy recovery option. Number 2. COSMIC Monitor. The new system monitor from 1.1 adds horizontal scrolling, support on the applications and process pages, making it easier to view wide lists of data. They also fixed missing app icons. Number 3. COSMIC Store features a nice animated loading indicator on the Explore and Category pages for better visual feedback. Number 4. COSMIC Edit fixed an issue with missing characters in some configurations and now properly saves files to your recent documents list. Number 5. COSMIC Term reports focus in or out events more accurately, which helps with better integration in certain workflows. Now, about the Applet and settings tweaks. Small but practical updates hit the applets. First, the VPN password prompting is fixed. Second, network and Bluetooth applets now use smoother libcosmic spinners during connections. Third, the battery applet shows a plug icon on systems without a battery. In COSMIC settings, invalid MAC addresses no longer slip through validation. Key names are now translatable, better for non-English users. And there is improved PyFire handling in the settings daemon for more reliable audio and connectivity. The login manager, which is Cosmic Greeter, also switched to libcosmic spinner for a more consistent look during authentication. So now, why this matters? Cosmic continues to evolve rapidly as a full-featured, performant desktop built from the ground up in Rust. These frequent point releases focus on stability, hardware compatibility, and everyday usability. It's exactly what users transitioning from GNOME, KDE, or other environments often request. If you're running Pop! OS or another distribution with Cosmic available, check your package manager for the updates soon. For the full technical details, head over to the official release on the popos/cosmic/epic GitHub repository. So, what do you think? Is Cosmic becoming your daily driver yet? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And let me know which features you'd like to see covered in more depth next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.